Today at Elwood Farm Machinery with a Case 895 XL Duo. 4-wheel drive, fitted with a Chilton loader, bucket, pallet forks, bale spikes all available. Good tyres. Three-point linkage, pickup hitch, 540 1000 PTO, 2 auxiliary spools and trailer brakes. It is road registered. Also, in the cab, the seat for sitting on. Let's just lock the world away. Running very sweet. Look, bin there. Very good loader, self-leveling, quick release attachment. Very nice. Down she goes. Power steering. It's as light as a feather. PTO doing a little dance for you. Not at all. You can see, probably not. First, let's go. First, second, third, fourth. That way for Postman Pat, look. Go on, Postman Pat. Come on. Go on, Postman Pat. I can't see the black and white cat. It's there somewhere. Anyway, where were we? Hi. Away now. Handling the bumps with ease. They want some couches. Someone's left us some presents. Don't want them like, but you can have them. Reverse. Going well now. Ooh, good brakes, but will stop you dead. Last but not least, reverse. Going into high. Here. More information available at Elwood Farm Machinery.co.uk and the Facebook page Elwood Farm Machinery. Thank you very much for your time.